Hey everyone, Sapirashi here, and today I'm back with another product review. Arteza asked me to review and try out their new watercolor set. I have tried some of their products in the past, so of course I wanted to try this one out as well. So here we go. So this is a very small travel-sized watercolor set with 12 colors. And with the set also comes a small aqua brush or water brush, or how you want to call it, of their own brand. So you will receive the watercolor set and the water brush. And now I will try out the water brush and see how it works and the 12 colors. And of course I first fill the water brush with some water to try it out. So the first thing I noticed with the colors is that they are very bright and highly pigmented. And I also really like how the water brush is working as well. I was immediately a fan of the light blue color and the pink one and the nice mustard yellow, because for some reason I am addicted to yellow at this moment. I just really like yellow, and this is like the perfect yellow for me. So anyways, the colors work perfectly fine, just like my Winsor & Newton watercolor set, and the colors are pigmented and bright, and I also really like the variety of colors. So to test this watercolor set, I'm going to make a drawing using the set. And because Halloween is coming up very soon, I decided to make a Halloween themed drawing for this review. It was a good idea to include a pumpkin in my drawing, because now I can try out mixing colors together, because there is no orange in this set. And actually in most 12 color sets there is no orange. I don't know why, maybe because orange is a very easy color to mix, but there is never orange. I just noticed it, okay? There is never an orange color. Anyways, I actually really liked mixing colors on this palette, and I also like that you can mix colors on either side of the set. Even though the upper side stands up a little, but it still works fine. And with my Winsor & Newton watercolor set, you only have one side to mix colors. But that works as well, but I also like to have two sides. So anyways, when I was painting, it was only then that I realized that there is no white in this set. I just noticed it when I was painting, because I was thinking like making the ghost cats sort of grayish, but there is no white. And I was like, how could I not notice that there is not a white color in this set? Like, okay. Yeah, I just didn't notice before. And yeah, in my Winsor & Newton watercolor palette there is a white, and I actually use it a lot. It is my most used color, because I use it for skin tones and yeah, just for making colors lighter. So it's just really weird that I only realized it so late. I still really like the colors of this set. I just really wish it also had a white color. So anyways, I will continue my drawing, and I will see you at the end of the video to give my final thoughts about the Arteza watercolor set. So let's give my review about this product. So overall, I am really happy with this product, and the pros are definitely the pigment of the colors, and I also just really like the case. It is very strong and it is small and compact, but it also has enough space to mix and experiment with colors. And the water brush is also really nice. The water comes out with a little squeeze, and I didn't need to refill the container while I was painting this, so even though it is small, you can do a lot with it. So now for the cons of this product. For me personally, it is the lack of white, because I use that a lot. And when I was done with painting, I also tried to clean the tin or the case, and I couldn't get rid of all the paint. Not a big mess or anything, but I just really like it when I can clean my art supplies. So maybe with some special cleaning stuff I can get it clean again. I don't know, but I just really like it clean, and it didn't really work, but still I really liked it. So anyways, to conclude this review, I really like the set, and it is just a very nice travel set, so I definitely can recommend this product if you travel a lot or you go to conventions to make commissions. And that is something what I do, and I also bring a small watercolor set with me, and this set could work perfectly. Just take some white paint with you though. So the brush is also very good and the quality is perfect, so yeah, I definitely recommend this set. So check out the set below in the description box if you're interested, and thank you Arteza for collaborating with me again, and thank you all for watching my videos, and also a very soon happy Halloween, and I will see you very soon everyone. Bye bye!